Second part, recipes to relieve the pain of sciatica. As my dear YouTube friends are, today we will continue talking about these recipes. 1. Valerian infusion. The natural valerian drink has anti-inflammatory and relaxing active ingredients that reduce muscle pain when sciatica is produced by contractions that press on the nerve. Ingredients: a spoonful of valerian, 10 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. What should you do? Boil a cup of water and, when it boils, pour it over the valerian leaves. Let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes and consume it. Take 2 cups a day maximum. 2 olive oil and calendula. Calendula extracts are known natural anti-inflammatories in the treatment of muscle, joint, and bone pain. In this case we combine them with olive oil, a prodigious ingredient that promotes relaxation and localized pain relief. Ingredients: 1 cup of olive oil, 200 grams. 3/4 of calendula, 150 grams. Half a cup of plantain, 100 grams. What should you do? Place the herbs in a dark glass jar and cover them with the olive oil. Let them marinate for a week and proceed to apply the oil. Take the necessary amount and, with a gentle massage, cover the painful area. Rub it until it is well absorbed and repeat its use twice a day. 3. Pepper and tomato juice. As a culinary alternative, you can also prepare a smoothie that integrates powerful foods and anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. In this sense, the two best ones for which you can choose are tomato and pepper, and by means of a shake, you will manage to diminish the symptoms in a few minutes. About your preparation, you should know that this should be as thick as you can. Avoid adding sugar and, if possible, you should try to drink it on an empty stomach, and drink it instantly. Do not keep it for anything. You must always have on hand the necessary ingredients so that, as soon as you have symptoms, run and prepare a bit of this combination to relieve the discomfort of sciatica. 4. The ginger. On the other hand, ginger is one of the foods that has more antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic. In this sense, its use is very beneficial to counteract the annoying symptoms of this condition. It will not matter how you consume it, as long as you make sure to do it daily 2 to 3 times a day. You can boil 1 or 2 pieces of crushed ginger in a liter of water and take it as water of thyme. As well, you can scratch half a kilo of ginger and with a very thin maya extract all the juice and store it in a very clean glass jar and pour a teaspoon of that juice in your 3 daily meals. 5. Lemon juice. According to various studies, pain in the sciatic nerve is caused by the concentration of acidic components in the periphery of the area. To remedy this, the most indicated natural treatment is lemon juice. This works by alkalizing these compounds and diverting them to other parts of the body. What will contribute to the reduction of pain? Consume it without sugars and half an hour before your food, a spoonful dissolved in warm water. 6. The consumption of nutmeg. As a complement to what has been said, we inform you that the oil that is processed from nutmeg is one of the most effective analgesics for this disease. You can find it in health food stores, and if you cannot find this already processed, you can choose to consume this dry fruit daily to experience significant improvements. Raya Boreas nuggets of this species and sprinkle a teaspoon to your maximum food 3 times a day. 7. Nettle. Again, a plant that can help us fight the pains of sciatica. To use the benefits of nettle, it will be necessary to extract its properties through an infusion. Once we have it, we will prepare a hot water bath to which a liter of the infusion we have prepared is added. Another way to help us with this plant is applying, with great care, the infusion on the skin accompanied by a little olive oil. In this second way it is preferable not to abuse. 8. Use eucalyptus compresses. An excellent home remedy to relieve pain caused by inflammation of the sciatic nerve is to apply a warm compress of eucalyptus leaves. Because this plant has strong anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce the pressure on the nerve, relieving pain quickly. How is it used? As a poultice. This home treatment also allows to relax the muscles of the leg or back, causing a greater feeling of relief and relaxation. If you do not have eucalyptus, You can also choose to make the poultice with lavender or artemisia, because they are medicinal plants with similar properties. Ingredients: 5 to 10 leaves of eucalyptus. Preparation method: cook eucalyptus leaves, steamed, preferably, and when soft they should be used as a poultice on the area affected by the pain. Where the pain starts. To keep the leaves warm longer, place a warm towel over the leaves. Repeat the same process during painful crises daily for at least 20 minutes or until the leaves have cooled. Well, my dear friends, I hope that all these recipes will help you to calm these pains that limit you in your daily tasks. If you like, do not stop giving it and subscribe to my channel. Please support me sharing my videos with your friends and family. Thank you very much for everything, that you are very successful in your daily purposes. And may God always protect you. A big hug for all of you.